Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video guys I'm going to show you how to check your Windows 11 update history on your Windows 11 or even your Windows 10 computer, right? So how you go about doing that, guys? You want to go ahead and right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar, and you want to go ahead and click on settings. From here guys, on the left hand side you want to go ahead and choose the last option in the list that says Windows Update. You want to click on that, and then you want to go ahead and choose the option that says Update History. So if you click on that, it will expand and you will be able to see all the updates from your Windows here. So here you have some feature updates. You will be able to see it immediately that there is a feature update for Windows 11 right there. And then if you scroll down, you also have more updates. So you have the quality updates, and it shows a number as well that there were 21 quality updates there. If you scroll down, you also have driver updates, and that was 17 updates. So you can see all the driver updates that happened there on your computer. So it's very useful information there. You have definition updates, 50 of them happen there. You can scroll down and you can find them as well. Remember that these numbers vary. So this is what I'm seeing on my computer, but for your computer, you will see something else. So other updates for me, it is showing 16, and I can see there as well, and also uninstall, you can see that as well, recovery as well. Now you can also click on the more information or learn more, as you see there beside different updates. So if you want to learn more, you can simply go ahead and click on that, and that will open up into a Microsoft web page where you can see what that update is, the release date, the version. You can see the importance of that. You can get a summary as well. You can see known issue in this update, so you can see if there is something as well, and you get all the necessary information that you need to understand what that particular update is, what it is for, and why, and so much more, right? So you get all the information that you definitely need to understand that particular update. So if you need to check this, guys, this is very useful for you to do, and you can always find out what's going on with your computer and what was updated. Very useful stuff, guys. If you do find this useful, and comment in the description below. Thank you very much, guys, and see you next time.